Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today I'll be showing y'all how to grow your Robinhood account more than like teaching you about Robinhood. I'll tell you a lot of the stuff that I actually use on here. My account grew 5% today, or 6, whatever, about the same. All right, so you open up your Robinhood, and right now it's about 12:35, so it's a good time to trade. I usually like trading earlier in the day, as you can see, like just after the market opened, it just started skyrocketing. I mean, that was clearly due to ONCE, Spark Thermopedics. I mean, I have quite a bit invested in them, but I'm still a little negative because that drop. But I mean, that's not gonna kill me. You know what I mean? So my average cost was 54.06. Um, I actually bought most of these on a market buy instead of, yeah, on a market buy instead of setting a limit like you do right here. I would highly suggest setting limits for most of these. Say you want to buy like a Tesla stock, I would definitely set a limit for that because these Tesla stocks go up and down like crazy. Um, all right, say it's 260 right now and it's going for 270, 270 and 118. If I was buying into this, I would probably set a limit for 265, and once that limit hit, then I'd have the stock and set another limit, a sell limit, sell Tesla, and right here you would hit stop loss order and the price that you want to sell at. But yeah, I usually don't like using market buys and market sells because they do play around a little bit. Uh, it's just not a good way to buy things because say I want to buy like a Dogecoin, I have negative buying power right now because gold. But yeah, if you buy Doge, I already used this example in my previous video. But if you buy it, say at let's go even 5.152. If I do a market buy at that, it's not gonna buy at that price. Like right now, if you look at the market price, it's 4947, but you look at the actual price, it's 4903. That extra 40, well, now it changed, but the extra 44 cents is, well, not even cents, it's like 0.0004 um, 4 cents. That is, I think, used for the movement, but I believe it's also why Robinhood is free. They say it's free, but it's really kind of weird how it works, you know? So say if you're buying Google, like when I did, I'm still negative because I mean the whole market dropped. But when you're buying a bigger stock, like worth 1,000 or so, you do not want to buy on the market because you're gonna lose some money. I actually bought most of these on limits. Kroger, I set a $18 limit. Once it hit that, it bought. Now Sono, I think I bought for 17. Viasat 62. I This one is actually dividends. They pay fairly well in dividends. That's what I've heard. So I went ahead and got dividends. So 5.08. They pay pretty well. I mean, I don't really care if it does well or not, is just dividends, you know. So I bought a few shares. I only bought 2 shares. I It's just there, you know. Now let's see. Let's go back. That's about it. I mean, I would definitely recommend market buys, market sells. Do not catch your emotions and catch. Don't let your emotions affect your stocks because you're gonna notice like a lot of these guys, they'll be like, "Oh man, the stocks are going down. Like I'm losing money." You're not losing money until you sell. If you sell and you go negative, that's on you. A lot of people like to sell when they go low. Like, don't sell when they're low, you know, because you're losing the money. Because say if I sold here, yeah, I would be positive 302. Right now, I this never happened. Like, this is what my stocks were doing, but I'm still holding some negative 0.35 from my original investment that I had this month. I'm negative 0.35 from here. Now overall, I haven't made that much again because it is just bumping up a little by little, but I've made about $300 this year, which isn't bad. I mean, I almost made six, but it's honestly not too bad with stocks. You make some pretty okay money. Um, but yeah, definitely do not let your emotions get caught up in the stock because that's when things go wrong. Like you notice your stock's dropping. Okay, great. When it's dropping, buy some more. You buy when it's low. Like I I started my girlfriend with stocks and it actually dropped. Spark was dropping and I bought most of these for 56 and I bought some more after it started dropping. I told her I was like, go ahead and buy it. I think she bought it 46.50, and I was like, wow, that's pretty damn good price, you know. Yeah, there it is. And I was like, wow, like I don't think I could have bought any better. And she bought it 46.50, and now she's up quite a bit. I think she bought 3 or 4 shares, and that's pretty good. I mean, you don't want your emotions caught up into it because for me, I was like, damn, I'm losing. I'm just not gonna look at it. I'll just wait till I get some notifications from Robinhood on my cell phone. The market picks back up. That's fine. Right now, I don't have the I'm not willing to invest in the market right now. I got other stuff to do. Like I'm 20 years old. I got bills to pay. I don't have crazy money to blow on stocks. You know what I mean? But yeah, absolutely. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, if y'all want a free share of Robinhood, just there's gonna be a link in the description, and you guys click on that and sign up your Robinhood account, and it should give you a free share if you don't already have a Robinhood account. Thank you. Have a good one.